So we're continuing now with lesson number 11, and we've just finished configuring the list control to display the menu choices for our slide-in menu. So let's go now to the button that's going to display the slide-in menu, which is this button at the top right now that's temporarily opening up our search component directly, and change its label from search into menu, and then go and change its action. So go down to the click event in the JavaScript section and open up the builder. So currently this button is going directly to the search panel, but we'd like it instead to display our slide-in menu. So go ahead now and click delete, and then go here and add a new action. Type in window in the filter list, select show container window, and then go back and choose slide-in menu. So this button now is going to display the slide-in menu window, but before we actually test it out, let's go back to our list control here and check the fill container property, so that this list control, which is our menu, is going to completely fill the window container within which it is contained. So when we go back now to working preview and we click this button, we're going to see the beginnings of our menu, but it's not going to look very good because we haven't yet configured the properties of the slide-in window. So let's go now to working preview and click on the button, and we can see that the menu is displaying, but the window doesn't look very good. And furthermore, we can also see that there's an overlay that is displayed behind the window, because the window is currently defaulting to a modal style. So we're going to change this so that that there's no overlay, there's no colored overlay behind the window. So let's go back now to design mode, and then go and start setting the properties of this window so that it slides in from the left as we want. So select the window slider menu that you created. This is at the bottom of the list, so scroll all the way down to the bottom and select Windows slide-in menu, and then on the right hand side in the property sheet choose window properties. So then click the smart field to open up the window builder. So instead of configuring all of the properties manually, as I certainly could do, I'm going to just choose a predefined window style, and I'm going to choose a panel window that does not have a header. Actually, no, I will leave a header, and I'll actually also leave the close button turned on. And I'd like the this window to slide in from the left hand side. And let's go ahead now and then just simply click OK. So this is going to configure a whole bunch of properties for me automatically. Now the first property that I'm going to change is I'm going to change this from a modeless pop-up to a modal pop-up. And the reason that I'm going to do that is I don't want the user to be able to interact with the component while this menu is being displayed. So next, what I'd like to do is set the window width from 100% down to, say, just 200 pixels. Then what I'd like to do is, let's see what else I'd like to do. Then let's go here and change the animation speed to fast. So we'll go here and say select fast over there, and also let's go here and select fast over there. Now let's go back and check out what our component is looking like. So go back to working preview now and click on the menu button, and we can see now that our menu is animating in from the right hand side, but we still have this overlay, colored overlay obscuring the component. So let's pause now and pick this up in the next video.